Okay, so in this example we're showing the ducting situation for ducting out a cooker hood. So we're assuming that in this example we have a 5-inch round spigot on the back of the cooker hood. So we'd attach a little piece of ducting to that, so then it would actually be able to connect to a 125 bend, 90-degree bend, and then we would then come down under the floor, whether it be wooden floor or concrete floor. Obviously there'd have to be a channel taken into the floor or underneath it, and so then we would convert into a 204 flat system, 204 by 60, and then move along all the way along. Now when we get to the actual wall, this may need to be obviously cut into the wall. So this is what we call a Z sleeve situation. So this may be into a cavity, or could be actually cut into a solid brick wall, 9-inch wall or 13-inch wall, in which case you would extend your vent and to get to the outside accordingly. So this would all obviously have to be cut in. A few bricks would have to be taken out to increase. Once you are below the floor, then you would actually have to rise it back up inside the brickwork, and another 90-degree bend, and then obviously where you come out, maybe there's an existing air brick there which you would change for this air brick that can be removed and cleaned. You wouldn't want to use an existing air brick just in case it blocks up, but this is the situation where you can actually you know, take it all apart or get access to the outside, because all these covers are actually removable from the outside. So you could remove the air brick and make sure it's clean to ensure clean entrance all the time. So these air brick fascias, obviously we want to make sure that this comes out above your floor level from the outside, at least I would say about 6 inches above your ground level. And these are all interchangeable, so we have different colors that can be installed into the air brick. We would be using the ones with the surrounds because these have a surround on them usually, but what you can do is, if it's a windy situation where you will get a lot of air blowing, or you know, you've got a windy side of the building, you could actually use these cowled grills that would actually just slot over the actual air brick itself to give it a bit of a shield from the air being blown towards it. But these come in a range of different colours. There is actually a brown one available as well, and we've got white, terracotta and black.